Kakio, bebe. Kakio, Magami. Kumikana, kumikana.
It's not funny. I said, it's not funny. Go away!
It was so funny annoying the guy. Now let's go to a different place and annoy another person. Hello there, guy.
Hi.
Look what I can do.
What are you doing? Would you please stop that? I'm not your friend. Stay away from me.
Okay. That was so much fun irritating people. Hello?
What did I do? Behave! Behave! But you did not behave. You've been irritating people by making weird noises. What is this? Come home right now!
I'm so sorry.
Shut up! Come home now! Go to your room, you demonic child!
Hey, this life's over.